emergency recording.
Patay.
Start emergency recording.
Patay.
Soon the companions became aware of something waving at the stars in passing. I'll be a Zoe dwarf, Glenn said solemnly.
I hate to compare, but this game, the music was top notch. It made you feel. I can't wait to understand it, like the French lyrics.
Wow.
I thought you took me away from my person. He's your person too, bitch. Ooh. Babe! What happened? What happened, tough guy? Are you insane?
Did I get that?
Holy!
Heist where they were being shot at by, well, the now dead Emperor's staff. Buddy, what the hell?
Alright.
Dropping southbound in the northbound lane of 30.